All right, find composite functions. So we have two functions here. I wrote this all down on the whiteboard, so let's go to the whiteboard right away. Here we are. Okay, so here's the first function. G of x is equal to x squared plus 6x. H of x is equal to x squared minus 1. That's our red one. And the question is, we want to rewrite the equation to where it's just one long equation that represents what they're asking us. So it says h of x goes into g of x. So let's pretend that this was, instead of x, it was a 2. Okay? Well, 2 would go into h of x. 2 squared would be 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then you plug that 3 in for both x's. Okay? Well, we don't know what that value is. It's still unknown. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this in for both of our x's. So we have x squared plus 6x. So we're going to rewrite our equation with open x's. Okay, it's bigger because we have to write a lot of stuff in for our x. And then we're going to rewrite our equation into there. X squared minus 1 and x squared minus 1. Wherever there's an x, this equation needs to go in there. And this is our answer right here. You don't need to do anything else more after this. So, type that in. Okay, that looks great. And there we go. Okay, next question. All right, so we're doing F goes into G. Okay, so I'm going to just show you how this can be done a little bit easier. Okay, x squared minus 12, parentheses, divide, and x squared again, plus 4. Okay, well, once again, our x's is just, so I'm going to put a parenthesis around this x down here on the bottom, and on the inside, we're just going to type in our x, which is x minus 5. And same thing up here. Put a parenthesis around this x, and we're going to change what our x is to what the first equation was, which is x minus 5. We are now done. There it is. All right, question 3. So h goes first, and then g. So h is down here. So we're plugging in h into g. This is actually a pretty easy one. Not much to do here. So 9 plus 5 divided by 4. You got the denominator, parenthesis. What's our x? Our x is our h, which is 10x minus 28. And that looks right. Okay, and now question 4. See, so h goes first. So this is going to go into that. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite the equation real quick. 8x minus 1, parentheses. So when I hit divide, it goes under everything, not just one thing. I'll do parentheses down here too, make it look cleaner. All right, now we got to change our x to what our h of x is. So I'm going to put parentheses around both of my x's, like that. So I can just change the x only. Now what our x is going to be is what our h of x is, or g of x is. Oh, no, our h of x, yeah, so it's 3x plus 10, and 3x plus 10. Now you could multiply this out. Like the top could be 24x plus 80 minus 1, which is 24x plus 79. And on the bottom you get 3x plus 14. You don't need to do that. You can just leave it in expanded form. And I would, because it's less math and less opportunity to make a mistake. And now we're done.